In this video, I'll be showing you how to restart your iPad. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, restarting your iPad is the best method to clear background memory glitches, fix minor app slowdowns, and refresh the system layout without deleting any of your data. So what you're going to do is firstly, press and hold either volume button on your iPad and then the top power button at the same time. Once you go ahead and do that for long enough, as you can see, it says slide to power off. So all I want to do is drag it and then obviously slide it off. Then wait 30 seconds for the display panel to go completely black. Once it's then completely black, all you got to do to turn it back on is press and hold the top power button until the Apple logo flashes onto the screen layout. Then what I could also do, maybe my buttons aren't working or anything like that, I could go over to settings, then go to general, scroll all the way down. I'm going to see the shutdown button and it's going to bring me to the same screen as well. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.